In today's rapidly evolving world, learning is no longer confined to classrooms or textbooks. It's a continuous process essential for personal and professional growth. The half-life of skills is shrinking, meaning what we know today might be obsolete tomorrow. Traditional learning methods often fall short. They are time-consuming, inflexible, and don't always cater to individual learning styles. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, we can transform how we learn and unlock our true potential. This is the promise of AI-enhanced learning. AI is revolutionizing various industries, and education is no exception. AI-powered tools are emerging as powerful allies in our quest for knowledge. These tools can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and personalize the learning journey. AI tutors can provide personalized feedback, adapt to individual learning speeds, and offer targeted support. Join us as we delve deeper into the world of AI-enhanced learning and explore how you can supercharge your skills. Traditional learning methods often resemble a crowded highway during rush hour, slow, frustrating, and inefficient. The problem lies in the fundamental design of traditional education. It follows a one-size-fits-all approach, assuming everyone learns at the same pace and in the same way. This approach fails to address the unique needs, learning styles, and prior knowledge of individual learners. Imagine a world where learning is an exhilarating ride. AI-powered platforms act as intelligent assistants, analyzing your progress and tailoring the experience. Studies show AI reduces mastery time by 60% and boosts retention by 30%. Acquire skills faster and retain information better. AI tools break down complex concepts, providing personalized feedback and interactive exercises, empowering learners to apply knowledge in real-world scenarios. One of the most significant advantages of AI-enhanced learning lies in its ability to personalize pacing. Traditional learning environments often force students to conform to a predetermined pace, leaving some lagging behind while others are held back. AI-powered platforms, on the other hand, allow learners to progress at their own rhythm. This personalized pacing not only optimizes learning efficiency, but also fosters a sense of ownership and control over the learning journey. Imagine a learning process so finely tuned, so responsive to your every learning quirk, that it feels less like studying and more like playing a personalized video game. That's the power of the AI learning loop, a dynamic framework that transforms passive information absorption into an active, engaging, and highly effective learning experience. This loop, much like the human learning process itself, comprises three interconnected phases: input, processing, and output. Let's break down each phase of the AI learning loop, exploring how AI transforms traditional learning hurdles into stepping stones for accelerated knowledge acquisition and mastery. The input phase is where the learning journey begins, but unlike the often overwhelming deluge of information in traditional settings, the AI learning loop takes a curated and personalized approach. Content curation, powered by AI, sifts through vast oceans of information to pinpoint resources specifically relevant to your learning goals and current knowledge base. The AI goes a step further by mapping the acquired knowledge, identifying connections and pinpointing potential knowledge gaps. With AI as your guide, the input phase becomes a streamlined, personalized experience, laying a solid foundation for accelerated learning. The processing phase is where the magic of AI-enhanced learning truly comes alive. This is where raw information transforms into actionable knowledge, where connections are forged, and where deeper understanding takes root. Through personalized exercises, interactive simulations, and adaptive questioning, the AI challenges you to apply your knowledge, solidify your understanding, and build a robust mental framework. This personalized pacing, a hallmark of the AI learning loop, keeps you engaged, motivated, and on the fast track to mastery. We've explored the theoretical underpinnings of AI-enhanced learning, witnessing its potential to revolutionize how we acquire knowledge and skills. From bite-sized micro-learning modules to immersive AI-generated simulations, the possibilities for leveraging AI in education are as diverse as the learners themselves. These applications are not about replacing human educators, but rather empowering them with powerful tools and insights to create more engaging, effective, and personalized learning experiences. Let's dive deeper into some of the most impactful AI learning applications, exploring how they're transforming traditional learning models and empowering individuals to take control of their learning journeys. In today's fast-paced world, our attention spans are constantly bombarded with information. Microlearning, fueled by AA, offers knowledge in bite-sized chunks. Imagine mastering coding or a new language in just 5 minutes. AI personalizes each module based on your learning style and goals. AI-powered microlearning transforms wasted moments into growth opportunities. Traditional learning often struggles to bridge the gap between theory and practice. Immersive learning, powered by AI, offers realistic, interactive experiences that blur the line between classroom and real world. Imagine stepping into the shoes of a surgeon, performing virtual surgery with AI-powered guidance. These experiences provide a safe environment to practice skills and make decisions without real-world risks. Immersive learning fosters understanding, accelerates skill development, and boosts confidence. We've journeyed through the exciting landscape of AI-enhanced learning, witnessing its potential to accelerate skill acquisition, boost retention, and personalize the learning experience. But the true power of this transformative approach lies not in theoretical understanding, but in practical application. It's time to move beyond contemplation and embark on your personalized AI learning journey. Think of this guide as your personalized roadmap, guiding you through the initial setup, the integration of AI tools into your daily learning, and finally the optimization of your approach for maximum impact. Day one of our AI learning journey is all about setting the stage for success. This involves 3 key steps: selecting the right AI tools, understanding your unique learning style, and setting clear, achievable learning goals. Begin by exploring the wide array of AI learning tools available, from language learning apps powered by personalized algorithms to micro-learning platforms offering bite-sized bursts of knowledge. There's a tool for every learning style and goal. Defining your objectives will provide a sense of direction and purpose, guiding your tool selection and shaping your overall learning strategy. With the foundation firmly in place, Day 2 is all about seamlessly integrating your chosen AI tools into your daily learning routine. This involves setting up your learning environment, diving into your first AI-enhanced learning session, and reflecting on your experience to make necessary adjustments. Start by dedicating a specific time and space for learning. The key is to create a consistent routine that signals to your brain that it's time to switch into learning mode. After your session, take a few moments to reflect on your experience. This feedback loop is crucial for optimizing your AI learning journey, ensuring that you're maximizing the benefits of these powerful tools. Time for action, your AI-enhanced learning sprint. We've explored AI-enhanced learning. Now let's put theory into practice with a focused 5-minute learning burst. Select a topic that interests you and let your AI tool curate a concise module. This micro-learning approach will show how quickly you can absorb new information. Experience the power of AI to accelerate your knowledge acquisition. Tracking your progress, the power of data-driven learning. In just 5 minutes, AI-enhanced learning can surprise you with how much you absorb. The real magic is in the data-driven insights that track your progress and optimize your strategy. AI platforms excel at tracking performance, offering data beyond test scores. They analyze your interactions, identify strengths, and predict retention. This data-driven feedback loop sets AI learning apart. Personalized insights empower you to adjust your approach and maximize learning. Embracing the future of learning. The future of education is here, personalized, engaging, and incredibly effective. AI transforms learning from a tedious process into an exponential leap forward. Remember struggling to stay awake during monotonous lectures? With AI, those days are fading. AI platforms act as personal tutors, tailoring the experience to our needs. Imagine acquiring new languages effortlessly, mastering coding concepts, or stepping into immersive simulations. AI makes education accessible, engaging, and enjoyable. AI's impact extends beyond individual learners. It empowers educators to create dynamic, personalized environments, fostering a future where everyone can reach their full potential. Your AI-powered transformation awaits. Embrace a new era of learning, accessible, personalized, and empowering. The tools we've explored are ready for you to harness. Take that first step. Explore AI learning platforms, experiment with tools, and discover your unique learning style. AI learning adapts to you. Find what works best for you. This journey is ongoing. Embrace iterative learning, refine your strategies, and push your knowledge boundaries. The future of learning is here. Embrace AI, unlock your potential, and embark on a journey of growth. Your next breakthrough awaits. Seize it.